10-minute guided morning meditation. Welcome to this 10-minute morning meditation. This practice is designed to help you start your day with a calm mind, a relaxed body, and a grateful heart. Together, we'll release any lingering tension, cultivate a sense of gratitude, and set a positive intention to guide you through the day. Let's begin this new day with clarity, focus, and peace. Take a deep breath in and gently release it. As you settle into this space, allow yourself to arrive fully in the present moment. Feel the support of the ground or chair beneath you. Let your body relax naturally, your shoulders softening, your spine lengthening, and your face easing into a peaceful expression. This is your time to connect, to reset, and to begin the day with calm, clarity, and purpose. Let's start with the breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. Notice how the breath expands your chest and belly, bringing in fresh energy. Now, exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension as you let the breath flow out like a gentle wave. Let's do that a few more times together. Breathe in calm, and breathe out any tightness or heaviness. Breathe in peace, and breathe out stress or worry. Allow your breath now to settle into a gentle, steady rhythm, natural and effortless. Feel how each inhale wakes your body up with light and life, and each exhale grounds you, connecting you to this quiet, peaceful moment. Now, bring your attention to your body. Starting at the top of your head, imagine a soft golden light gently resting there. It's warm, calming, and full of energy. Let this light slowly travel down, relaxing each part of your body as it moves. Feel your forehead soften. Let the muscles around your eyes and cheeks release. Allow your jaw to loosen and relax. This light continues down to your neck and shoulders. If you're holding any tightness here, imagine the light melting it away, like the warmth of the morning sun. Let the light flow down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and all the way to your fingertips. Now bring your focus to your chest. Notice how it rises and falls naturally with your breath. Imagine this golden light filling your heart space, warming you from the inside out. With each inhale, you welcome calm. With each exhale, you release tension. The light moves now through your back, down your spine, easing every muscle it touches. Let it flow through your stomach, softening and loosening any tension you may feel. It travels through your hips, your thighs, your knees, and all the way down to your feet. Feel the light pooling there, grounding you to the earth, solid, strong, and supported. Take a deep breath in and feel your entire body glowing with relaxation and energy. As you exhale, allow any lingering tension to fade completely. You are relaxed. You are grounded. You are at peace. Now, let's welcome gratitude into your heart. Gratitude is a powerful way to shift your energy and mindset for the day ahead. Take a moment to bring to mind one thing you are deeply grateful for today. be something simple: the air you breathe, the warmth of the sun, the sound of nature, or the love of someone dear to you. See this image clearly in your mind. Let it fill your heart with a gentle warmth, as though the golden light of gratitude is expanding from within you. Now, bring to mind a second thing you're grateful for. Perhaps a recent moment of joy, a connection, or an opportunity you're thankful for. And now a third. Picture it as vividly as you can, letting that sense of gratitude grow with each thought. With each breath, feel this gratitude spreading throughout your body, light and expansive. Let it flow to every part of you. Take a deep breath in and quietly repeat to yourself, I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for the opportunities ahead of me. Feel that sense of appreciation settle deeply into your heart. Gratitude is your foundation for the day, a steady source of peace and positivity. Now that you are relaxed and open, let's set a powerful intention for today. An intention is like planting a seed. It guides your energy and focus. Ask yourself, what quality do I want to bring into my day? Perhaps you want to move through your day with peace, focus, kindness, or confidence. Choose a word or phrase that resonates with you. For example, I will approach today with calm and clarity. I will be patient and kind with myself and others. I will focus on the present moment and find joy in small things. Repeat your intention silently or aloud. Let it settle into your mind and heart. Feel it becoming part of you, something you carry with you through each moment of the day. Breathe in deeply, welcoming this intention, and breathe out, sending it forward into the day ahead. Hold on to this intention like a quiet flame lighting your path as you move through the hours to come. Imagine now that you are standing outside, bathed in the light of the rising sun. Feel the gentle warmth on your skin. The air is fresh and clear. Around you, the world is waking up. Birds singing softly, a light breeze stirring the leaves, and the sky painted with soft shades of gold and blue. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself connected to this peaceful energy. You are grounded like the earth beneath your feet. You are open like the sky above you. You are alive and ready to embrace this day. See yourself moving through the day with confidence and ease, calm, steady, and focused. Visualize moments of joy, moments of peace, and moments where your intention guides your actions. You are ready for whatever this day brings. Take one more deep breath in, breathing in energy, positivity, and light. And as you exhale, feel yourself fully awake and present. As we come to the end of this meditation, bring your awareness back to your body. Notice how calm and relaxed you feel. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, reawakening your body. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly Take this calm, peaceful energy with you as you step into your day. Remember your intention and the gratitude in your heart. You are grounded. You are strong. You are ready. Thank you for sharing this time with yourself. Go forward with confidence, peace, and purpose.